Thank you, Valentina Suzuki, for inviting me to offer a greeting to participants in today's online event of the International Academy of Hөөmeiජi. I congratulate the Academy for its important work and for all it is doing to support the transmission of this unique art to the next generation of artists and audiences. In my work as a music researcher and university professor, I am continually pointing to Tuvan music as one of the world's most eloquent examples of how a people can preserve its own musical heritage while at the same time welcoming foreigners to learn about this heritage and develop it in new artistic directions. The generosity displayed by Tuvan musicians and researchers in sharing their knowledge and know-how with foreigners like me, and the many foreigners who came after me to Tuva, is very touching and heartwarming, but it is also very smart and shrewd. History offers strong evidence that welcoming outsiders to learn and perform the traditional music of one's own culture will help it remain alive and vibrant. By contrast, attempting to block the natural evolution of musical tradition in a misguided attempt to preserve some kind of authenticity or purity will inevitably lead to the tradition becoming frozen in time and irrelevant. The International Academy of Hөөmeiජi serves as a highly visible bridge that links Tuvan music with its many admirers around the world. Maintaining this bridge as an effective mechanism for intercultural research initiatives as well as for education and performance projects requires vision, tenacity, and teamwork. I take great vicarious pleasure in the Academy's success, and I wish you a productive day of discussion and debate as you plan activities and initiatives for the hopeful year ahead. I send my very best wishes to all participants in the Academy's work.